Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing that I'm going to do. So, I ordered this off of Amazon. So, Bear Cloud Cutter from Cheryl for Peace. Or from Cheryl for Peace, excuse me. There's a little bit of the box. I would show you, but it has my address like all over thanks to USPS. So, alright, so it's very well packaged. So, this is how it comes. Alright. So what it is, hold on, let me get the bubble wrap. It is a Harley Davidson DOT approved helmet. So let me scooch back. If you're wondering what this is, I just did an unboxing, an Amazon unboxing. Okay. So let me try this helmet on. Smells really good. Is this the correct way? Do I have it on? I have it on backwards. I'm like, it feels weird. Alright. No, I had it on right. I had it on right. Just feels a little different. I'm used to a 3/4 helmet. So what you do is you tighten it, and then there's a little clasp. So this is what it looks like. It makes me look like a big head. But it's okay. I think it's cute. I think I should get a visor to go on it to make sure that I really like it. And most of my visors, they clip on. And I don't know if this one should clip on. So I may use one of the visors I already have. Anyway, thanks for watching. Now my hair's a mess. Bye, you guys.